Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and software quickly. Check at least 8 CPU cores, 16 GB RAM, and 50 GB free. Once that's confirmed, pick an appropriate local model. Choose a quantized community model for efficiency or a vendor private image for support. Then install Docker or set up Conda, because containerization isolates dependencies and makes deployment repeatable. Download the tokenizer and model waits immediately so you can load the model without network delays. This first momentum prevents later stalling. Now you load and optimize the model. Quantize to 4-bit or 8-bit to cut memory use while keeping reasonable accuracy. Once quantized, initialize the model in a lightweight server process and bind it to a local API using Fast API or Flask. This lets apps call the model as a service. Configure token limits and the context window so responses stay coherent. Enable caching for repeated prompts to reduce latency. Make sure logging and resource monitors run so you can spot bottlenecks early. Finish by running integration tests and latency checks using realistic prompts to validate behavior and performance. Harden access. Issue API keys, restrict IPs with the local firewall, and encrypt model files at rest so confidentiality holds. Once done, deploy to your LAN or a private VM and monitor CPU, GPU, and swap utilization. If things go wrong, first check for out-of-memory or swap thrashing. Then verify quantization compatibility and model tokenizer pairing. Fixing those resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.